Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers. Welcome to Amabenzo TV, Rico Ortambo, welcoming Bafana. I'm joined by Umalebza.
Shap, ukhuluma noMalebza nguye Israel eTsakani.
Sure.
Shap Sithibo.
Njayami ama message ay 182 for Machita.
Akhuluma ivara Machita senze proud yabona. Yeah, mara bengi disappointed yabo kancane nge-first game. Yabo nge-King. Yeah, I was a bit disappointed. Mara coach yabona asimthembile. Second game yabo sabangcono, third game sabangcono. Yabona saya ku round of 32. Round of 32, yeah. So we just abo sibazela lapho nalapho. Yeah, sibashanga late goal yabo nge-injury time. But all in all, shout out to Amachens.
Shout out to Amachens.
Yeah, shout out to Amachens.
Who's your best player of the tournament?
Best player, okay. So bonke yabona bathi uMbokazi vele ngiyavuma bo.
Yeah.
Mara umutawo nami ungichazile ubani Eme Okon. Ngicela ukumbona. Yeah, ngicela ukumbona dlala. Hayi shemudlalile shem.
Amachita babe wamdawo thoko.
Hayi bamdawo ngisho nakhona ebaqala ukumfaka yabona kusadlale nesquad. Mara all in all hayi ungichazile. Ngichazile best. And then yabona isimanje uRayli sakavayile. Hayi shona ibhlungu yabo as a Pirate fan.
Uyipakaniya.
Ngipakaniya. Yeah, mara hayi sobona esingapho nawo police naye. Yabona ngazi ama-rumors athi naye yahamba.
Ngizwile nale.
Mara sancenga.
Mara ngibone ukuthi ngathi sosayina abo ma-7 players.
Nama 7 players nakhona yabo ama-player amancane. Sobona ukuthi sizenza kanjani. Obviously sifuna i-development. Yabona lama-jita amadala lapha ethimini. Mara all in all hayi sothemba mara ngizoba safi.
Mara mina ngizwa amakhosi athi makuva urino wapolisi kuphelile.
Hayi asikapheli hayi thina hayi soshaya amathambo hayi sobuya kapheli hayi soshaya ngento ezingabonakali hayi support udancing lapha hayi support izinja hayi support izinja ya njengoba hamba urile maybe udancing nabona uzothola isikhathi sakhe
ya ngiyakuthola
yabona fair
ngiyabonga Jaya.